Welcome to your freelance tech journey.
Ready to take control of your career? Freelancing in tech offers flexibility, diverse projects, and the opportunity to work with clients worldwide. In this guide, you'll discover the essential steps to start your freelance tech career from scratch, whether you're a developer, designer, or another tech professional.
Identify and strengthen your skills.
Start by assessing your most marketable tech skills. Choose a focus area, such as web development, mobile apps, design, or data. If you're new, invest time in online courses, tutorials, and hands-on projects to build a solid foundation. Create sample work or contribute to open-source projects to showcase your abilities.
Build your digital portfolio.
A strong portfolio is your ticket to client trust. Collect your best work samples, real or self-initiated, and display them online. Use platforms like GitHub, Behance, or a personal website to highlight what you've built, your role in each project, and the value you provided.
Set up your freelance business.
Lay the groundwork for your freelance business. Decide on your rates, preferred payment methods, and legal considerations such as contracts or business registration. Make sure you understand the basics of invoicing, time tracking, and client communication to ensure smooth operations from day one.
Find clients and win your first projects.
Position yourself where clients look for freelance tech talent. Explore reputable platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or TopTal, and don't underestimate the power of networking. Reach out to friends, former colleagues, and social media communities. Craft tailored proposals that clearly address each client's needs and highlight relevant experience.
Grow, learn, and build your reputation.
Every project is a chance to improve and expand. Seek feedback, refine your process, and keep learning new tech skills. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews and recommend you. As your reputation grows, you'll attract more clients and higher value opportunities for long-term freelance success.